Right, so I've got a baguette, and there's 2 reasons. I mean, you can kind of tell with how I'm talking. Why I shouldn't be eating this. But at the end of the day, I haven't been... there's this little place called the Granary, right? And I used to get them in school all the time. Oh my God, I'm talking like this. 2 reasons why. One, I've just had a fill-in. So you're not supposed to actually be eating for 1 to 2 hours, but I'm starving and I couldn't get it. And it's soft, right? I've got chicken, fajita and cheese baguette. 2, I'm actually numb here. As you can tell, I'm talking... Oh my God, you saw that then. Anyway, it is what it is. It's soft, isn't it? I just had to get it. I'll just eat this side. Oh my God. This looks horrible. And now I'm debating whether I should post it or not. Look at my mouth. These baguettes ain't nothing special, but they are at the same time. When you know, you know. Oh my God. This is ridiculous. Anyway, I went down there and I got 2 giant cookies. One for Ellie and one for Tommy when they get home from school. But they've like crumbled already because I think they're so fresh. Well. I can't let you see this. They haven't crumbled. They've like just broke because they're obviously so fresh. One, my mouth's like this. Shouldn't eat. 2, I literally just had a filling done about 20 minutes ago. Shouldn't eat. 3, I paid £150 to have this filling done. So why are you gonna... And I'm dribbling. Well, I just had to. It's really nice. I'm gonna eat that. I'm just gonna take a bite of this for you lot. Because I'm gonna have to come off camera because it's gonna take me too long. Oh my God. They used to... I was talking, and I was probably talking like this. I wonder why she was looking at me. They used to do a beautiful hot Mexican and cheese baguette. Oh my God. But she said they had to stop doing that because the company went bust after COVID. But, oh my God. Anyway. I can't even look at myself. Hope you have a nice day. I'm going for a spray tan in an hour because I'm going out Saturday. I need to get... Actually, it was my friend. She was getting a spray tan and then I was going to be jealous that she was going to be brown on me. So now I'm getting a spray tan. God. I'm so immature. Oh well. Have a good day.